Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my strawberry shortcake. Sit back and watch. Right here I already washed my strawberries. They are so juicy and delicious. And I have my fluffy sponge cake already made. Please feel free to check my channel for the tutorial on how to make this sponge cake. I'm going to be topping it up with this delicious vanilla yogurt. Feel free to use your heavy cream, your whipped cream, but for this I'm using vanilla. And look at those juicy strawberries. They're gonna be so delicious. They're just gonna make this whole combo super delicious with the classic flavors of the strawberries. Oh my, what a wonderful combination. So all you have to do is just make your sponge cake, fluffy sponge cake, and just throw some vanilla on top. Top it up with this juicy deliciousness of strawberries and just drop some greens on top for color. And right here we have our beautiful strawberry shortcake. Thanks for watching and bye.